So we're down in New Zealand, in the South Island. It's freezing, it's the middle of summer. So we are running up today. And I'm just getting my bike set up. So, just click on my tank bag. I've got my glove liners and my rain jacket to put over the top because it's so cold. I wasn't expecting it, given it's the middle of summer. Lucky I was going to bring my enduro riding gear for the trip, but it'll warm up during the day. It's just going to be a bit. Oh, my hands are frozen. It's just going to be a bit like this morning. So I just got my liners. I'll just chuck in here. There's one. On the Stockman, I've got my full 50 litre system. These are great. You don't even notice you have luggage on when you're running this smaller system, the 50 litre. Sits in really tight on the bike too. There's no moving around. Oh, my hands are frozen. Well, I've got my roll bag down here. Let's just load this one up. I've got half my gear on, so this one's going to be a bit empty. Valve. Oh, hands. Oh, that is cold. There you go. Cinch that down. Put my raincoat on. Oh, my hands have gone to ice. And we're gone. Packed and ready to go. All right.